Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an infinite logo carousel in Wix Studio. This is a fantastic way to showcase the brands or sponsors you work with, giving your website a professional and dynamic look. First, open your Wix Studio editor and navigate to the project you're working on. Locate the header area of your website and expand it so you have a clear view. This is where your logo carousel will appear. Next, click on the plus icon in the editor to open the media options. Upload the logo images you want to include in the carousel. Make sure they're sized and formatted properly so they fit seamlessly into your layout. If you don't have your own images, Wix also offers free logos and placeholder images that you can use. Once your images are ready, place them in the header and adjust their size and position to match your design vision. Then duplicate the first image to create the illusion of a continuous, never-ending carousel. Highlight both the original and the duplicate and group them so you can apply animations together. Now, find the Animations and Effects icon in the toolbar and select the loop option. This enables continuous motion for your grouped images. Choose a looping animation style, like the cross effect, or pick one that fits your site's aesthetic. Duplicate this loop and place it beside the original to extend the carousel further. You can adjust images and sequence in the new loop as needed. Finally, click Preview to see your infinite logo carousel in action. Make sure the animations run smoothly and everything looks visually appealing. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've created an eye-catching, infinite logo carousel that enhances your website and keeps visitors engaged. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Wix tutorials and web design tips. And